These modern, over the top flat bridge myths are exaggerated for attention. Growing up, people heard the usual River Muma stories, but they weren't as dramatic as the ones being pushed on social media now. People love a good ghost story, and since they have an audience that laps it up, they keep adding more nonsense to it. Flat Bridge was built by enslaved people, just like many other structures in Jamaica. Yes, there was always talk about a mermaid being in the river, but it wasn't something people took seriously. The accidents that happen there aren't because of spirits or supernatural forces. It's reckless driving, impatience, and people buying licenses instead of earning them through proper training. And the best part, there's now a highway that bypasses Flatbridge completely. If people are so scared, why not just take the highway instead? It just proves that the fear is more for storytelling than reality. As for the claim that railing for Flatbridge was built and then washed away, when exactly was that supposed to have happened? There's no record of such an event, just more made up stories to keep the myths alive.